locally we call a local sponge. The scientific name is called Lofa Celedrinka. This one here, if you get person where get big tummy, you get some people there, then get big tummy, like say they get 50 million for bank, where they don't know bank procedure. You want cross road, your tummy, go first to cross. Sometimes motor go jam, but you wait tummy don't cross. Person won't ask you, go tell and say, I dey drink beer. No let you they drink the whole beer. You get excess fat in the tummy, you won't burn excess fat. Like this one. And when woman, he puts to bed, that is, he deliver. Her tummy, they remain swallow. Some local women, and they carry towel, they soak for hot water, they massage the tummy. Make I tell you one thing, if you massage any tummy where they soft for just 2 weeks, that tummy will develop stretch mark. If the tummy is soft, it will develop stretch mark. This plan can take care. See how to reduce excess fat in the tummy. When you go your house today, go to this plan. You want to reduce excess fat in the tummy. I know say some people say, they go feel say, they're going to send our your people. I not just enter bush one morning, I block every lip control. This lecture, now my company send me, RIPAM, that is Research Promotion on African Medicinal Herb. They come in collaboration with NANTMP and World Health Organization to bring Africa back to nature. Because those days, there were no hospitals, there were no pharmacy, but our parents were able to live up to 200 years. But today when we get hospital everywhere, if somebody see 90 years, he makes sign of the cross. Why? Because we run from nature. Let's come back to herb. This is our heritage. When you check out, you cannot compare 100 years of a Chinese man to the 50 years of an African man. Chinese man, they look stronger than Africa because they believe on herbs. Every of that thing are herbs. Okay, see how to reduce excess fat in the tummy. Watch them very well. Make sure you put salt for the water where they use water. Salt. Yes. The water where they use water, make sure you put salt. And the salt where they drop, not be native salt. Now iodized salt, the one in packed. When you don't bring an you want to use excess fat. You go look for teacup. When I know what in the teacup a bit, when you get the teacup, you go warm water, put for that teacup. Then you look for what we call centuries or antiphorus. When I know including them sokoro, lime. When you get 5 lime orange, cut them into 2. Squeeze the water from lime orange, you put it there. When you don't get them, get half teaspoon of sodium chloride, salt, half teaspoon of salt, you put them there. If you follow up the lectures, how many things they inside that cup?
Three things.
3 things. It's okay. 3 things. Not 3 things. You are following up. That is the warm water 1, the lime orange 2, and the sodium chloride 3. See the number 14 way to burn your fat. If you are conversant with the factors of product in economics, we have land level capital. They would have done on their own, but without the entrepreneur, they cannot do. Likewise to fat reduction therapy. Without LUFA, you cannot reduce your fat. Then you go to LUFA, squeeze her like this. Squeeze her. When you squeeze her for long, you go notice say some green juice they come out. The green juice where they come out, measure at least 5 tablespoons of it. You put her, you mix her, you drink. When I mean at least, it shouldn't be less than 5, but it can be more than 5. Make sure and put them in drink. Say here. When you go your house, you no go kill you. Say I'm here. Okay.
No, that's the best way. Because many people are skeptical.
Some people then go they wonder why are they drinking. I feel waste my time here, shout, oh, you go your house, you go fear say you go die. I make a drink if I know die here, you go your house, you don't go die. I know say you get some people when they watch out with rolling like this, they say see the juju people. Don't be juju. Even in the Bible, go to the book of Ezekiel. God says, I created all beings, and I know that shall be thirsty. He created River Jordan, that when you're thirsty, go there and drink. Your thirstiness shall no more be found. And he said, thou shalt be hungry. At the banks of the river are planted trees of all kinds, that the leaves shall not wither. The leaves shall bear fruit. The fruit shall be used for food, while the leaves and the tree shall be used for healing of the nation. Go to your Bible, you will see it. No be me right now. Okay, God don't create some for our services. God bless them. So waiting at the teach here, make you know at any fetish belief. Make you know to say you go kill fowl, you pour blood here before you walk na lala. God don't bless her for us. Listen, you go consume this plant here. Every morning for 3 weeks. Whether your tummy been there like mountain, it dey come back to normal. But listen, when you don't consume this plant for just 2 weeks, when you dey go toilet, they go stew, you go dey stew some fattish substance they come out. Make you no fear. Continue to consume them for that 3 weeks. Your belly will come back to normal. But listen, when you are in any fat reduction therapy, when they give you food, make you eat. Make you not eat your food, they drink water at the same time. Because if you they drink water at the same time, it will portray your tummy. Even medically, it is advised that you first drink water before you eat, or you drink water at the last. With that, fat reduction therapy can work for you. Then, when you pass 9 o'clock in the night, make you not eat heavy food. But when you come across any heavy food, not just eat the food, you go sleep. Eat them, take a walk around the compound, make your food digest. With that, fat reduction therapy can work for you. Are we okay with that lecture?
Yes.